Yes, I'm Roman, and today I will teach you a little bit about the Jamaican alphabet. Let's go. Before we begin, I'm thinking about doing a series about the Jamaican language patois, where for about 2 to 3 minutes I will teach about patois. This will be done from my perspective as a native speaker. Lastly, my advice is to focus on my pronunciation more than anything else. With that said, let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So basically, it's quite simple. My advice is to try and pronounce strongly, if that makes any sense to you. A, apple. B, bread. C, cat. D, dog. E, elephant. F, frog. G, goat. H, to be honest, we don't always pronounce our H's, so I'll skip it. I, igloo. J, jelly. K, kangaroo. L, lion. M, man. N, nerd. O, onion. P, pig. Q, question. R, rat. S, sea. T, time. U, ugly. V, violin. W, wagon. X, we don't really have any word with X, to be honest. Y, yogurt. Z, zebra. Okay, so that is the Jamaican alphabet. It was a super fun video to make. I hope that helped. I hope you enjoyed it. With that said, like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time. Ciao.